Okay, so this is part 2 on how to make a Bukkit server on the Mac. If you didn't watch part 1, you're probably going to want to watch that because it has most of the basics that you're going to need. So this is how we connect to our server. I didn't really get into much detail last time. You're going to want to open up Minecraft, wait for it all to load. I had to delete my bin because I had some mods that failed. And then you're going to want to go to multiplayer, and instead of an IP, just type in localhost. And it's probably not going to work. If it does, that's good. If it doesn't, you're going to need to go into your server properties and edit something that will only take a few seconds. So here's your server. It's online. You could play with anybody that's in your house at the same time as you on a different computer and a different account. So if you want to make yourself an op, just head over to terminal and hit op and then type in your username. And now I'm an op, so this is my favorite code that they added. Makes it really easy to have it always be day. So this is your Minecraft server. You can do whatever you want with it, but nobody else is going to be able to join you. They can't type in localhost and get you, because they will just get a failed message because their Minecraft will try and connect to themselves. Okay, so let's stop our server, and if you can't connect to your server by just typing in localhost, then you're going to want to go to properties, and where it says IP, type in localhost. And then that should fix the problem. But it should work without doing that. Okay. So now we want to add some mods to our server. So we're going to go to forums and go down to the temporary plugin list. This is the best place to find mods. So you're just going to want to find mods. So anyone that you want. I'll just get a easy one. Message of the day. So MOTD. So here's a basic login message of today and GeoIP. But I'm not sure that's up to date on the... So you're going to want to look over here and see what number they are. So right now, Bukkit is on 670. So this one will work. So if we download this mod, it's a .jar. So this is all we have to do is show in Finder and drag it over to our plugins folder. And then we're going to want to use our start.command since it's so easy. Oops. And start up our server. So it loaded, and you can check if your mods load by looking for their name in parentheses and if it says loaded or failed or error. So let's go join our server. Okay. So JB Man logged in with the NPC ID 166. These wolves are not happy. Okay, so I probably shouldn't have attacked that wolf. Okay, so now it didn't say anything because we didn't edit its properties. So we're going to want to go into its folder and go. So usually they won't have anything in them, but when you go to the forum, you can see what they have to say. So, but this is how you load mods. you just folder and look at their properties files and edit them as the thread too, and you should be able to get it. So thanks for watching part 2. Part 3 will be about port forwarding, which is not as hard as you would think.